hosts, and welcome to another Factorio stream. Today we are going to be increasing our supply of iron and then building some labs. So let's get right into the stream right now. So, first things first, going to go to our steel manufacturing plant. And we are going to set up some back pressure on it, because otherwise it's going to consume all the iron we have. Right. And go along here. Just looking at our steel production, it's monstrously high, and our consumption of steel is actually pretty low, so we don't need to be producing as much steel. And to produce steel we need iron. We're currently running low on iron, so if we reduce... See? This wire comes in here. Multiplies it with blue. Where is the blue coming from? Hi! Okay. It's also being used to... So I think if we send a green signal down here, it'll actually generate a blue output. Right. So if we go along... Whoa, I should have been careful there. How are you, Stephanie? I hope you are doing well. I'm doing quite well myself. Yeah. Alright. We'll trace back this wire. We say green above 4, emit blue, so that should be connected like that. And you green. And then we take this wire join it up here. hope that's not... Yep. And that switched off that. Perfect. Okay, so that's now back pressuring quite correctly. And we'll also increase our iron supply by sticking a mine up there. Yep. Copy you. Is there one with loading on both sides? Nope. This one's an iron mine, but it's for an end. We want a through one. Say copy. And I will stick my train over here. There we go. Fuel myself up. And go to the end of the rail. As long as I'm facing the right direction. There we go. Hopefully that will result in us getting a bit more iron in our total supply. So we go. If we put it like that, you end up going over the thing. How about here? That's better. Let's hop out of there. We'll delete all of that. Make it join up correctly. You. Like that. And like that. There we go. Stick our things in place. All right. Like that. Oh, that should be one of them. Okay. That's better. Yeah, we've got a nice supply of those, and bring this one back. Oh. There we go. And we are... Okay, cool. That's in place. Can fork off the power from here. Like that. Oh. Got some of those segments up there that don't actually have any power in them. And they all require nodes. Oh, fix that up. So. Productivity modules. Are definitely needed here. While we're at it. Productivity modules, what else do we need? Alright, E minor. Pickup, there we go. Park you there. And build a train. Gonna supply me with stuff as well. And blue and red. Blue belt picker. And blue undergrounds. Lots of stuff that we're going to need for this. Also red underground. Perhaps even red belts. And red conveyor belt pickup. There we go. Right. Let's get right in. Actually, got a lot of blue belts. So let's get that copied. And go like that. This weird turnaround's not going to be needed. This is the bigger patch. The bigger patch, not the giga patch. Right. Right. Ah, there's the... these things. Let's grab some of those while we're at it. We'll come over here. We'll make a copy of that and place it on the next patch. Alright. Just pick the sort of thickest part of the hatch. All right. And this patch looks smaller than the other one. Right. Am I pointing it in the right direction as well? Yeah, cool. Okay. So, let's grab the necessary parts, which is move that into there. Place into there for temporary reasons. All right, let's get some miners. Oh. I think the miners were the first thing that arrived, were they? Looks it. All right. Don't need those extra ones along the side there. Excellent. Grab all of these. Continue up. We'll do a couple of sweeps. There we go. Oh. All right. Yeah. There we go. worried that... Yeah. All right. Uh-huh. How many you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one's slightly shorter, so there. One, two, three. Excellent. Join that into there. And that's all done. Right. We can drop off the excess drills to one of these boxes. We'll pick up some of the green inserters that we seem to be missing. Pick up blue inserters, we're down on them as well. No, we're not. Right. There. Okay. Pretty sure I've got all those that I need. No, I don't, because I'm going to do the other side soon. What I do need is more of you. Even from there. Right. We'll finish off supporting that. I'm wondering if I should... Yeah, I should. Okay. Place these. All right. All done. Make sure we've got some power here. Loading modules. Alright. Send you on your way. Send you on your way as well. Not sure why. I'm actually going to investigate that. So you can go on your way. You can go on your way. Me, I'm going to go to the module pick up spot. Productivity mod pick up. There we go. Find out why this looks so strange. I think it might be some sort of bad signaling, which is often the case. Oh, we get to use that bridge we made. It's running slow because there's no green circuits, but that's... Okay, 6970. Ah, it might be because there's not enough things in this, and this is the one we take the most out of. Right. Not sure why we had a red circuit activation there, but it happens. Let's see how we are going on green circuit productivity. We are waiting on iron. Hold on. That copper. I can't go there. Maybe if I get a robot. I get robot at that spot. Okay, it's not going to cause any trouble with the signaling. So it needs 2K at least. 2K. 2K, and it currently has 1.5. Yeah. Okay, it is functioning as it should be. It's just slow because we have issues. Huh? Alright, we're going past stuff where stuff is needed. Fuel you up. Oh. We did drop off some green circuits. That's a good sign. Right. Well, this train was using it as a turnaround. Weird. Well, we have a supply of green circuits at the moment, which is a good sign. Demand for copper and iron from here. We don't have enough red circuits yet. Which is pretty typical. Alright. Productivity is improving though. Although limited somewhat by the ridiculous size of our Yep. Okay. Gets fully loaded. That gets switched off. Continue to demand more and more green circuits out of the system. All right. Green circuits cycle through. All right. I'll hop out here. Iron. Oh, copy, paste, paste, paste. E. Pick up. And the robots just arrived. Right. So they're all buzzing around. Fix that. Ah, good. We've got a train arriving. And that's throttling back. That's coal. We don't need that much of that. production module 3 pick up? 2 drop off. And you're right, production module 2. Okay, there's something wrong with the production module 2 production. Because it's not signaling. That. Alright, let's have a look at production module 2. Where are we? 2 drop off, production module 2 pick up. Because it looks like it has plenty of production module 2s there. It's just not picking them up. Also, okay. It's outputting 1 green. Oh, right. That should be 2. That's why things weren't working. There we go. Alright. You get unloaded. You should load into there and start manufacturing. Okay, let's look at labs. Green, iron, and transport belts. All right. That's a 3-item thing, unless I've got labs or mass production. Let's have a look. Trains. Nope. Oh, there's 3 items. There's a good 3-item design right there. Oh. Grab that. Although it has an intermediate product, so... Three items and gears. This is perfect. So we just got to change pipes to... Oh. Yeah, just change pipes to transport belts. Now, will it fit here? Yes, it will. Terrific. So, up aboard. Fuel you up. Tell you to go to this new build site. There we go. Yep. We've got sort of like a very rough town. We've got a bit sort of a very rough sort of town feeling to it. City block design, that's what I was meaning to say. You... Not sure why you're emitting green. I'll put a... I'll stick a fix me there. Right. Link you up with power as well. Make one change. What are you? Green circuits. Yep, we need green circuits for the lab. Fix that bizarre problem that we've had all over the place. Okay, you are pipes. Change you to conveyor belt drop off. Change that to that. Okay, I'm gonna need some more belts. Alright. Bring you all the way up. Yeah. And also... build train. You come up here as well. trucks also need power poles. Oh, we're at it. Directly over here. FE plate, yep. Right, and change you to be lab. There we go. All right. Oh, and we've got trains arriving. Even better. So that power poles. Could do small splitters. Got enough rails at the moment. Couple undergrounds. And those green things. Send you on your way. Well, help if I actually had a way for it to be sent on. Go. Ah, it's just the old classic thing. Oh, signals? Yeah, that's expected. The train signal train. You up there? All right. All right. We're missing a power interconnect somewhere. Okay. This is called lab pickup. Change this to a laboratory. Bring us out some boxes. Okay. Right. Hundred of them. Some more of them. What are you? Green circuit drop-off. Why don't you have any green circuits in you? have a train parked here inconveniently. We'll grab that out of that. Make sure that heads off on its way. Terribly confused. Alright. I'm not sure why you're waiting there, but... Sure. Ah, your boxes, okay. Right. There we go. No trains being held up weirdly. That's fine. Very much need to get up there and get power and unloading facilities to that train. Otherwise, it's going to disrupt the entire flow. Right. There we go. We've got it. Conveyor belt pick up. Curiously enough. Build train. Alright. You there. Yeah, you're waiting for a supply train to arrive. Build you and you. Ah, we got fuel. Ah, full cargo. All right. Ironically enough, this is where it's supposed to go. Right, let's stand here and just let the train do its thing. You are still in need. You're all waiting on iron. Alright. How is our iron supply coming along? I think we might need another supply train. All right. Yeah. All right. Check some graphs. Iron plate production, iron ore production, green circuit production. So that's steel plate. I don't need steel plate. So those actually have gone up, which is a good sign. Be handy to right. Yeah, that's waiting on that needs a train to service it. So I'll let myself fix that up. At least we're seeing green circuits being manufactured. Right, let's fix that problem. One, two, three, four. Fuel. FE. Pick up. Station FE. Drop off. Full cargo. Decargo. There we go. Hello. How are you going? I hope you're well. That shouldn't be there. Right. So, excellent. We've got a train picking up iron from our new mine now. Hopefully that will represent an increase in productivity. You're grabbing from the green. These two are delivering green circuits. That's good. Ah, they're making purple circuits. Even better. All right. So I can mark lab off my list of things to do. And we continue to expand. Beacons. We definitely have a beacon factory. Let's have a look. Yep, beacons. Rocket silo. Nope. You haven't started mass producing rocket silos yet. So we definitely should move into that. All right. And I'm thinking we put that on a new row up here. That makes sense because we want to make this this whole block look squarer, and now it's currently very rectangular. Right. Hop in here. Fuel it up. And have it there on the wrong side. Here we go. Love sort of running these light. Make sure, yeah, it's clear. Go into our book. Get ourselves a standard Y junction. Now, rocket silos need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Use this design here. In fact, we can overlay these designs. There we go. I'll just park the train there for the time being. Just got some ideas about using that to reduce the danger of trains hitting me. There we go. So, rocket silos. Steel plate. Ah. Already used a steel plate. Excellent. And we're going to need some more cliff explosives. Bring up the cliff explosives from the bottom of the base. Okay, that tells me I'm going to need to remove you. To permit things to get delivered, but that's fine. While we are on that, bring that train up here. Not train, sorry. Robot. That's the Spidertron. Okay. You are... the build train as well. Has sort of like immediate supplies that I often need. Brick. Do we need brick in the rock silos? No, we need concrete. So change you from brick drop off to concrete drop off. Change that. That. All right. Gonna need more rails soon. Healthy. And more of those, so. On conveyor belt. You. Come up there. All right. Park you there. Oh. And boxes as well. Right. So here, get rid of those, them. Everything else is in good supply. And that on its way. Pick up some booms. There we go. Let's move on to the next thing. Pipes. I think I actually needed pipes. Yep. So this one's fine. We are at it. Get you to start working on that bit. What's next? Iron. Don't need iron plates. Let's change that. Purple circuit drop off. Change you to purple circuits. There we go. And we are out of conveyor belts. Thank you very much. That's my train full of conveyor belts. That timed out waiting for me. You come there. At this time. Yeah, it is ridiculously big to the point the size causes me problems. It's very long and skinny with this massive flared bit at the end. And I'm out of that. Okay, I need a train station. Train stop thing. The handy thing is I'm building a base that will produce every item in the game. So a lot of the items that I've already mass producing are already in the game itself. So I can just call up a train full of them whenever I need them. There we go. Oops. Bring you up here as well. Get some of that. Let's free up a little bit of space for train stops. And this one, rather than green circuits. What do we need for the rocket silos? Electric engine units. So we'll find ourselves a engine drop-off. Change that to... where is it? There. Cool. Now I just have to power things up. And we'll start getting deliveries. Oh, out of power poles as well. So, pick up splitters. Big power poles. Little power poles. Some extra greens, extra blues. Extra belts. Send that on its way. Alright. Oh, doing that. Send you there. Alright. Actually, might as well just queue up a path going all over the bits that we haven't done yet. There. I do love these little okay, that should be powered up now. Yep, and it's requesting stuff from the network. Steel, concrete. Oh, something's already... And purple circuits and E-engines. So the less common items are getting delivered first because there's not as much demand for them. And you are already out of conveyor belts, so actually send you back to your base. Which is all the way down there. Right. There goes the booms. Clearing away the cliffs. It's interesting how you like start by automating production and then you start automating production of production. There we go. Fix up that splitters as well. Conveyor belts. So, game is that strange indeed. Yeah. Present and conveyor belts. Right. That's gone and delivered the supply of electric engines. I'm guessing they're supposed to look like a your standard induction engine. Your sort of like squirrel's cage style one. Though you'd have to look inside to see if that was the case. Got some pipes. While we are at it, waiting for the delivery of building materials. Let's go up here and change this design to be silos. We don't need that. Change that as well. I actually tend, when I'm traveling between parts of my base, I tend to travel by train. Because it's so big. Loading up. Nothing else we need. Especially since the trains are actually faster than the trains are faster than the cars when they're fully upgraded. Also, I keep on driving into things in the cars. So, all right. There we go. And I'm already out of conveyor belt. So, my big supply of conveyor belts is in here. And it's not too far away. Awesome. Alright, come down here. Also, just walking on the belt in the right direction speeds you up so much. Finish off that thing. Change you to silo pickup. Build a train for you. Put a little fuel to get you going, but don't need much because the train system will provide that soon. The train network will provide that as soon as we've got the things dealt with. Why isn't... there. And these trains move around all the stations and just basically distribute train fuel, so the trains are always topped up when they're making the deliveries. Right, get a full load from there. Alright. And that's going well. So, 3 quad belts of resources. Oh, running low on purple circuits. That's slowly loading up. Got some weirdness here. We have one of these belts is not like the other. And we're low on undergrounds. There we go. Get those soon enough. Little combiner there. Make sure that things get powered. Right. So we're almost got that. I think all we need is the undergrounds. That's my build train. Almost arriving. Park behind that. That's not really an issue. Keeping a close eye on that, because things could change. There's the other side. That. Hold on. What are you? Just gotta make sure that everything's getting supplied to here. So purple cycles and reds. Right. So all it needs is the purple circuits, which will be on this row. Yeah. All right. But otherwise, that is set up correctly. This is slowed down by the lack of green circuits. Green circuits. We're all waiting for iron and copper. And Fe plate. All right, let's have a look at stations. Fe plate. Plate pick up. Yep. They're all being serviced, so that is fine, unfortunately. But we've still got a lot of demand for iron plate. live with that. You, I'm just going to park you out of the way. Like that. To allow that train to get free. And we'll calm down to here. Make sure this gets loaded up. Let's check that thing. We're going to go for silos. Rocket silos. Cool. And satellites we're already mass producing. So we've done almost everything on here. Everything on this page. We've got production for all of these, production for all of these. Got mass production for these. We don't... Oh, yeah, we have mass production for barrels. And those. Rocket control unit, yep. Those as well. Got to do uranium fuel cells. And then we've got to move on to mass producing all the combat stuff. All right. Silo pick up. Full cargo. I don't have a power reactor yet. I use solar panels. I'll show you. This is our power array. Yeah. I'm just going to check. How are we doing for power? Yep. We've got about 2.7 gigawatts max production. But we've only currently got... we're only currently using 1.6 gigawatts, so... we don't need to expand the systems quite yet. But we probably will later as our factory continues to expand. And what are you there? Oh yeah, you're the engine I just parked. And I needed to fix that thing. Let's go and fix that thing before we forget about it. So nuclear fuel and nuclear power are on our list to add. Rocket silos done. Go and fix that. I think that will be the last thing we do for this stream. Let's go back to, what's it, productivity. That's speed modules. The productivity modules are down here. Go. Park. The trains are really nice and fast. That means I can check on stats while I wait. Yeah. So I made some fixes, and think that's improved our green circuit production. But our iron still, we might have to expand our iron production as well. Yeah, just have a look at you. Yeah, you're waiting on iron. You're always waiting on iron. So then we go down here. This is our big... Ah. Okay. That's waiting for a for something to pick up. Waiting for a train to pick up from it. I might need more trains, maybe? But we've got a train waiting, so... I think it's just our train system's too big. There we go. That gets emptied. I'm going to say 2 trains can wait there. Because 2 trains can. Right. We've stopped here. This is where I pinged it with Fix Me. Pinged Fix Me down there. Right. Not too... It's interesting, building on this scale makes you think some things are just really nearby. There we go. Now this is still signalling that it wants deliveries, but it's got a full supply of the stuff that it wants, so... Because it's got the wrong module programmed into it. Copy that, copy that. Now this should be red. Cool. Just delivering there. This is just a very small plant. Just generates enough for what it's doing. So we don't use that much of the higher level productivity modules. Even though we probably should. And while we're here, let's make sure... these are correctly set. So that should be 3. And 3. Right. So that will turn green when we have enough of those modules. And you, as everything else, is waiting for more purple circuits. Alright, so That's all done. I can remove the ping. So, that is that done for today's stream. Let's hop back to my main room. Thank you everybody for joining me as I played Factorio. Tomorrow we have some Minecraft scheduled, where I'm going to be continuing on building my projects. If it's your first time joining me for a stream and you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much, everybody who is watching, and I hope to see you later. Goodbye.